You believe you control your own thoughts, your own choices, your own desires. But what if I told you that powerful forces have already shaped them, without you realizing it? The greatest rulers in history never needed chains to control people. They understood something far more dangerous. Control the mind and you control the man. The Targaryens understood this. They didn't just rule with fire and blood, they ruled with influence, whispers, and unseen forces. And today, those same psychological tactics are being used on you. By the end of this video, you'll understand how these tactics work and how to break free. Want to take action right now? Download the Mind Shield checklist, 7 steps to break free from hidden influence for free, in the description below. Get instant access to the key strategies you need to protect yourself from manipulation and take back your power. Subscribe to stay connected, because here we don't just survive the game, we learn how to play it. The most powerful rulers in history never needed to raise their swords. They knew that if you control what people believe, you don't need to force them to obey. The Targaryens didn't maintain power just because of dragons. They ruled because people believed in their divine right to rule. The fire, the blood, it was just a symbol. The real control was in the mind, and today the same tactics are used, just with different tools. Instead of swords, they use information. Instead of dragons, they use fear. Instead of loyalty, they use emotional manipulation. Let's break it down. The one who controls information controls the people. The Targaryens didn't just rely on dragons. They spread myths, legends, and controlled the narrative. They made sure the people believed they were untouchable. Today the same thing happens, but instead of myths you have media, social platforms, and digital algorithms. Certain ideas are pushed, others are buried. They don't tell you what to think, they tell you what to think about. How to break free? Question everything. Ask yourself, who benefits from me believing this? A ruler does not need to fight if he can make his people afraid. The Targaryens knew this. Why do you think no one dared to rebel? It wasn't just the dragons, it was the fear of what could happen if they did. Today, that same fear is used against you. News keeps you addicted with constant crises. Advertisers tell you you'll never be enough unless you buy this. Politicians say, if you don't support this, disaster will strike. How to break free? Next time you feel fear, ask, am I really in danger, or is someone making me feel like I am? Most people believe they're free, but are they? Or are they simply following a path designed for them? The Targaryens rarely forced alliances. They shaped the choices available so that loyalty was the only logical path. And today you face the same thing. You're told to get a job, buy a house, take on debt. But who designed that system? How to break free? Ask yourself, if I weren't following the system, what would I truly want? The easiest way to control someone: use their emotions against them. The Targaryens mastered this. Love, loyalty, rage, all could be weapons. They knew that if they could make people feel, they could make them act. Today you are manipulated the same way. Social media fuels rage cycles to keep you engaged. Advertisers make you feel incomplete, so you keep spending. People use guilt, shame, or love to manipulate your decisions. How to break free? Next time you feel a strong reaction, ask, who benefits if I act on this emotion? If you're distracted, you will never build power. The Targaryens ruled because they focused on strategy, not distractions. A ruler cannot be ruled by entertainment, gossip, or trivial matters. But today, distractions are everywhere. Social media is designed to steal your focus. Endless entertainment keeps you weak, passive, and powerless. How to break free? Take back your focus. Now that you see the invisible chains, here's how to break free. Master your mind. Stop reacting emotionally. Control yourself first. Question everything. Ask, who benefits from me thinking this way? Reclaim your attention. Cut distractions designed to weaken you. Develop your own power. Learn influence tactics so you become the ruler, not the ruled. Most people will remain controlled, but not you, because now you see the game. The weak remain pawns. The strong learn how to play the game and master it. Now I ask you, will you stay blind or will you wake up? Comment below, what's one way you've noticed manipulation in your life? Like, share and subscribe.